my name is Akirito. I'd like to teach you how to play Imperial March from Star Wars. As usual, I'm going to tell you the chords by numbers and notes by numbers. So, first chords. Say, for example, G. I'm going to say 0, 2, 3, 2. I will say the fret number of each strings. And for notes, I'm going to say first 5 for this one, for example, because it's on the first string and it's on the 5th fret, so first 5. That makes sense? So this is gonna be 2/3, okay? Let's get started. First introduction. I think it's unnecessary if you don't want it, but I will just tell you how to play it. Just repeat these things again and again. So first chord you need is A minor, 2 0 0 0. Then F. Normal F, it will be like 2 0 1 0. But add ring finger on the first 3. So it's gonna be like 2 0 1 3. So dun, dun, dun. F. Then A. Dun, dun, dun. Then pick second first. First 3. Dun, dun, dun. F and second first. Okay. And F. Sorry, A. And again F. A. F shape, and second first, A minus, F and second first, A minor, then next one is A minor still, but this is gonna be a bit different. 2 0 0 7. This is gonna be A minor as well. Then first 8 and first 3, A minor, F, and second first, A minor. So then so you can do fake harmonics here. The way you do the fake harmonics is like you will put your finger over 12th fret, just over the 12th fret around here. Just touch them, don't push them, okay? Just touch them lightly, and it sounds like king sound, Or instead you can play just 12th fret, it's the same sound, but fake harmonics sounds better for me, so I use fake harmonics, but you don't have to, but like this. Or you can just bar the 12th fret and strum, okay? And lift it up and play, again 12th fret, and first 11 and 10. Next one is bar the 6th fret and put your pinky on the 9th, first 9, and slide pinky up to 8 and 9 back to 9. Then pick the second and open, just bar this, 6th fret and pick the first string and put your pinky on the 10th and slide up to 9 and so it's gonna be like 2 0 0 3, okay, and pick every single note and slide your ring finger to the first second as well. Okay, and try 3 2 3 and lift everything up and pick second first, then F, F shape and second first, and A, F and second first, A, and back to the introduction and play A, F and A, and if you want you can add fake harmonics here, So that was the tutorial for this song, and if you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you got some kind of request to me to make another tutorial videos for another songs, please do so. I'll be happy to make tutorial videos. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.